Good morning, guys! Happy Wednesday and happy birthday to me! For today's birthday celebration, we are going to the gondola, like I mentioned last night's vlog. So our ticket is for 10:10 in the morning, very first ride. So yeah, we're here. It's actually still early. Ano oras na, Daddy? 9:40. The trip or the ride, the drive from hotel to here is roughly 11 minutes lang. So malapit lang to sa amin. But yeah, we still wanted to be early kasi sabi doon sa ticket, be there 20 minutes early. So yeah, we're here. Let's take photos first. Okay, meron palang ano dito, Starbucks. And since it's my birthday, meron akong free drink sa app. So, order kami and itong dalawa din. And tinanong ko kasi kung pwede may magdala ng drinks sa mismong gondola and okay lang daw. So, yeah. Pero syempre, cold drinks pa rin tayo. Hindi tayo hot. We got our drinks. I ordered the ano nga to? Ice brown sugar shaken espresso. Yeah. Syempre, venti. Dahil libre. Doon tayo sa todo. Zach is having the dragon drink.
I'm just not wanting coffee. I like coffee.
No.
Yeah, but he's having coffee. And yeah, and coffee's so good though.
Mukha.
Are you gonna be angry at my mom for letting the kids have coffee?
Dahil mo sinasabi. Okay. Java chip for the first time. Dahil lagi na lang pare-pareho yung order ni Zeb. Sabi ko, try another one. So, pagbigyan ko, magkape today. So, we have few minutes to go before we check in. So, nandun yung mga gondola. Pumipila na yung mga tao actually. Let's go na kaya. We're waiting for our just for a bus.
Yeah.
The next one pa pala. Wait.
Sit on the left, on the right side.
Zero. Excuse me.
Why not face
Stop.
towards the...
Wow.
Facing that way or facing this way?
Just sit on the left side.
Wow, I'm recording.
Okay, go guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow.
Why not on the left side, Zeb?
I'm being here now.
Are you ready?
Yes. No. Wait, I'm gonna flip it around. Hello guys, I'm recording this time.
That's too far. That's too near.
I'm recording. Take that, my mom's viewers. Once we at the high school, let's jump. No.
There'll be a boost. See,
Yeah.
instead of a, woo, so fast.
Hey, I think I found Bigfoot. Wait. Bigfoot on the mountain.
Wow. Look at that. You should take that.
No.
Okay, let's pause for a bit.
Yeah. I hate this already. Hey guys, I'm drinking Starbucks.
I already showed Randy.
I know, but I'm still drinking Starbucks.
Hey, wait, Zeb. Oh my goodness, I'm not holding it.
See that? A shadow?
We're halfway, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like we're floating.
It's so high above. See?
Don't look down.
I can't. The real question
Oh,
in
there's a
the
window here.
the real question.
Open?
Yep.
Oh, shucks. I didn't know. This is open. Oh my god.
No,
Sarado mo.
close it. The real question in the hey, I say the real question in the movie like this on Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Who in their right mind would marry a Bigfoot? Who? Like why? Doesn't make sense. Maybe he is adopted. Like the.
You gotta hit the...
Ah, no, please. Ah! You made a sound. You're like a snake. I won't stick my head. It's gonna crack the glass and then it's gonna fall.
So many hikers. They like to hike. That's why there's so many news about hikers.
21 is over. 21 is
See,
over.
there's another hiker there.
Guys, 21 is over. It's over. I'm tapping. Okay, fine.
Who's there?
I'm gonna
This is
remove
just 4 minutes, you know.
what?
4 minutes ride. 4-minute ride. Going up and then 4-minute going down.
Of course.
Of course. Well, you can do 1 minute going down if you like slide or jump.
No.
Ooh, a Spider-Man.
Guys, let's jump.
Swing.
Jump. Guys, let's jump.
Dive.
Let's jump.
You know, the one that you
I wanna. Can you like hold the lid? I wanna like get the. I don't even know what to say.
One more. We need to go up one more. Okay. Put your things. What do you see? Here, Zako, there's a stand.
What's this supposed to be?
Alright, so nakapag-picture-picture na kami. Going down para umakyat to there. Let's go. Where's Daddy? Okay. Sana tayong madulas at hindi ako naka-winter boots.
Hey, hey.
What?
One you like equals one ice melted, so I can have my jacket for inside my drink.
Okay.
Okay. One new subscriber equals one like one ice removed. It will work. We need to break.
We are almost there, guys. Kakahinga. Nasa dami ding hinto-hinto for the picture, of course. Sayang ganda ng view. Okay, this is crazy.
Jump!
If
Jump!
you want to go hiking.
Jump!
Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Your fear of heights is gonna be tested. Malala here. OMG. Actually, meron pa isang ledge doon. That's the last one. Oh my gosh. So doon tayo galing kanina. Okay, yan. Yung building na yan. And I thought this is the last parang ledge. Hindi pala. Meron pa pala. Hanggang dun sa taas. Hingal ako. But it's not that bad actually. I'm just not that fit anymore. Whew. Okay. It's crazy. Ang takot mahulog dyan, guys. But people are hiking here. So, kanina nasa gondola kami. May mga nakita kami mga hikers. Pababa. In between those trees, akala ni Daddy noong una, hayop. Gosh. We've made it to the top.
And I'm scared for my life.
So exaggerated. Anyway, let's have a look, guys. Walang harang. I mean, meron. Ito lang, oh. Pero, diba, kasya pa din ako dyan. Madudulas ako. So scary. Nice at the same time. Hindi ko alam mga pangalan ng mga mountain na yan. So, yeah. Okay. We're going back. Wait. Oh my gosh. Pababa.
Can I record it? Yes.
Say hi to the people.
No.
There.
Viewers, just say hello. Just wave. You don't have to look. Just wave. If you're scared, just wave. Okay, fine. See, it's her birthday. Look at the view, viewers. Just here.
Show the mountains.
Climb the mountain. Anyways, it's me
Yeah,
again.
because you want to be a YouTuber, right? You have to practice.
What's the one there?
So we'll just
Hello.
go to which
Don't make
channel?
the viewers dizzy with keep moving and moving.
So, and anyways,
Yeah,
guys, it's low bat. So, bye, guys. Bye.
Alright, we are done here.
I'm holding her.
What
I
is
don't
that?
even know what these are called.
Tripod.
Oh yeah, tripod.
So, rate your experience.
Out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
7 out of 10. Because I'm feeling like I'm gonna fall.
Alright, dito na. Kasam, free parking naman dito. Let's go. Okay, we're going for a quick stop. Ito yung parking and nandun tayo pupunta sa Surprise Corner. You can find that sa Google Maps. It's more like, yeah, it's an viewing deck. Because maganda yung view doon na makikita mo. So let's go. Daan lang kami quick and then lunch. Alright, we're here na sa top. Ayun lang yung parking. And this is the view. So, just making a mark. Ang dami kasi yung mga ganito sulat-sulat. So, magawa din siya sa sarili niya. What are you writing, Zach? Oh, okay. Ang lamig. Okay, after lunch na kami. Bumalik muna kami sa hotel para i-park na yung sasakyan doon. And then, check on Cookie. She's okay naman. And yeah, kaya maglalakad na lang kami kasi para makapagtingin-tingin kami sa mga shops along Banff Avenue. Yeah. Sa Canadian Brew House kami kakain, I think. So yeah, I'm hungry. This is another nice hotel. The Blues Hotel and Suites. Actually, tawag dyan, sister company nung hotel namin na Fox Hotel and Suites. Pero kasi mas pero yung pool nila nasa roof deck. So open area. Pero hot tub din. Or heated. So yun. Parang dumi yung lens ko. Dito kami kain. I think. We'll see. Depends on menu. Let's go. That's a big duck. Nachos pala.
Is this a nacho challenge?
Uh-oh. Can you do the nacho challenge?
Not even a challenge.
Okay, your order's here. I'm having Canadian burger, shepherd's pie for daddy. Zeb is having 2 slider burgers and honey garlic. Zach is having, I can't see,
I got Canadian bacon.
Canadian maple bacon flavored na chicken wings too. Let's eat! I got ano din pala, spicy mango margarita. It's good. And I think this is tahin. I'm not too sure. Or chili flakes. But yeah. Yummers. We're done with our lunch. Grabe busog. Hindi na ubos. Ang dami. Ang daming tira-tira. Meron pa dyan. Let's look around. Okay, let's look for some sweets. So, dito kami sa candy shop. I forgot the name, but I've been here before. These are like candies that you don't usually see in normal groceries here. Like we don't see that.
I've seen the
Hot tamale.
No, I don't think I don't think anyone like those. I don't think they like those.
Sour watermelon. Yeah, these are not the usual candies. We're here at Beaver Tails. Let's have some dessert. Yummers. I got the pistachio. You want to show the candies that you oh yeah. What did you get?
I am gonna drink Pikachu's mysterious liquid.
And
That sounds very weird. And okay, but why not? Cool.
mochi, bubble
I
milk
just tried
tea.
to find the weirdest thing possible that I would like.
And that's the
It was
weirdest.
like a frog thing. I don't even know what it was, but it's a frog.
Okay. Okay, we are exploring on our own. Gusto nang bumalik sa hotel yung mga bata at pagod na maglakad. Sabi ko, I'll just go by myself. Look around. And yeah, kasi sayang naman. Doon lang tayo nakababad sa kama magdamag na after this. So, yeah, parang gusto ko pumasok dito. Let's go to this souvenir thing shop. Okay, I'm walking back to the hotel. Ang cute nito. And see yung mga dump truck there. Dumping snow kasi mayroong mga I think mga ice sculptures or basta yung ganap sa weekend. So, yeah, they're starting to do the structures. Kung ano man yung gagawin na hindi namin maabutan na sa family, but I'll be there on Saturday. I'll be here on Saturday again, so I'll find out. Yeah. So, aside sa pinaka main road, which is the Banff Avenue, dito rin maraming restaurant tabi-tabi, mga establishments, and mga hotels. Yung mga nakikita ko lang, nung nagre-research ako, yung mga nakikita ko lang sa mga website, which nakita ko na in person, ito pala yun, ito pala yung isa sa mga choices ko. So, at least, now I have an idea na. And, meron din pala silang sinehan dito. Yung building na yan, sinehan. Well, as a tourist, siguro hindi ka naman manonood ng sine, no? Bumunta ka dito para naman. Pero syempre, yung mga people living and working here, yan, doon silang sinehan. Okay, itong Hello Sunshine, sikat din to sa mga top restaurants that you need to eat at. Pati yung Lupo, katabi niya, Italian. And Hello Sunshine, mga may sushi, Japanese restaurant, ay nakasulat na ramen. So yan, kita nyo, may pila na. Okay. Yung nakita akong Banff Asian Market. And oh, may panghalo-halo. At merong stick o doon. Iisip ko kung bibilin ko si Zeb kasi malamang mahal. So, wag na lang. Pili ko, ang tagal-tagal ko na naglalakad, guys. Pero magta 10,000 steps pa lang. Ba't ganoon? It's a scam. Ang tagal. Kanina pa ako naglalakad. Wala, umaga pa kami naglalakad. Anyway, we're almost there. I'm here. Ito yung front ng hotel. Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko na. Kasi nung dumating kami, umikot kami dyan tapos diretso sa underground parking. Hindi ko na ata na-vlog. So this is the Fox Hotel and Suites. There you go. Hey guys! I'm back. Actually, kanina pa. Pagbalik ay na-busy kami ni Daddy na impake na ng yung mga laundry, mga maduming damit, nilagay na sa maleta at ayan, nilagay niya lang sa kotse para bukas konti na lang yung i-impake namin, like kung ano yung suot namin ngayon and yung pantulog. Anyways, so I went into that souvenir shop, diba? Actually, kanina nung magkakasama pa kami, dumaan din kami sa souvenir, diba? Pumunta kami sa parang candy store, may pinabili si Zach. Tapos si Zeb talaga ang hinihiling niya ay sweater na Banff. Gusto niya ng souvenir. Sabi ko kung bibili tayo, kasi diba si Zeb hinihiram niya na yung mga damit ko, mga regular t-shirts na pwedeng pang lalaki din, or mga hoodie ko. May mga pants din ako na binigay ko na sa kanya, ganyan. So, in short, pwede na kayo mag-sharean. So, sabi ko sa kanya, kung bibili tayo ng hoodie, it's something na we can both wear. So, I got a small size. Suot ngayon ni Zeb. Hindi na makapag-antay suot niya na. Pero sinukat ko kasi, pero pinato ko dito. Parang feeling ko ang sikip sa akin. Pero kasi feeling ko that's a layer. Pero small size siya na adult. Si Zeb kasi mahilig sa oversize. Puro oversize yung mga sinusot recently. But anyway, tas nung mag-isa na lang ako, sabi ko, pasok ako din sa isang souvenir shop. Kasi gusto ko rin makita kung same ba sila ng presyuhan, ng mga, lahat ng mga sweater, mga hoodies, and same naman. But I got this. Actually, nakita ko na to doon sa Banff Gondola. Meron ding souvenir shop kasi doon. Kasi doon talaga una nagpapabili si Zeb ng souvenir, ng hoodie. Una hoodie sinasabi niya. $85. Sabi ko, maraming souvenir shop sa downtown. Let's just look there. So yun. Tapos, nung naghanap ako ng hoodie, nag-change mind siya. Sabi niya, sweater na lang daw. So yun. Anyway, nakita ko rin to doon. Pero hindi ko binili. Hindi ko maalala. Parang feeling ko mas mura itong nabili ko ngayon kaysa nandun sa gondola. But it's a necklace. And hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo ng mafo-focus ng camera talaga. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko rin ng souvenir. And meron dyan parang drawing ng naka-etch yung bear. Yarn. Tapos, yung nakasulat na cursive writing is, it says mama. So, it's Mama Bear. So, meron din sana na ganito, tapos mountain. Pero, parang mas nakita na ko dito. Sabi ko, parang souvenir ko na din. For my birthday, at saka recently nahilig ako sa mga kwintas-kwintas. Pero, syempre, hindi to totoong gold. $12.99. Parang feeling ko yung doon is $18.99. Feeling ko lang, hindi ako sure. Kasi iba-ibang mga design, tas iba-iba rin yung presyo. So, nalito na ako. And, I got a souvenir, a magnet, just for the souvenir, you know, remembrance ng aming birthday. Although, ilang beses na ako na nakapunta sa Banff, I never bought a souvenir na parang feeling ko kasi hindi kami kompleto. May ganun drama. Pero today, since memorable, since birthday namin ni Daddy and all, kompleto kami nagpunta. So, it's time to buy souvenir. So, para sa ref. Yun lang. Yun ang binili ko. And, yeah, it's 6:01. Hindi ko alam kung anong plano pang kung magdi-dinner. Diba nga, yung burger ko, kalahati lang yung nakain ko kanina dun sa lunch namin. Si Zeb, may mga chicken pa siya kasi naubos niya yung slider burger niya. Pero dami niya pang fries. Tapos yung namin ng nachos. So, yung malaking tray namin ng nachos, hindi rin naubos. So, dami naming take home. Pero, meron pa kaming drink voucher sa Chili's kasi diba hindi na kami nakapag Chili's kagabi kasi nag hot tub kami ni Daddy. So, sabi niya kasi today na lang yung gamitin. So, yun. Ewan ko. Ako, very full. I can't. Iinom ako, yes. Kasi sayang yung drink voucher. But, yun, we'll see. Anyways, yun lang for now. We'll see kung magkikita tayo ulit sa Chili's later. Okay, we're going out for dinner. Hindi na sumama si Zeb. Ayaw na sumama. And inubos niya yung chicken niya. Kaya busog na daw siya. Ay. Teenager na ang bata. Let's go. So, ito na yung resto. Chili's. Dito tayo. Okay. I'm just gonna order drinks kasi busog pa ako. Hindi ko nga makain yung tira kong burger. I tried but I can't. So, with the drinks tayo. I can't decide if watermelon margarita or yung Tito's watermelon. Sinong Tito yan, Char? Let's see. Have you decided, Zachy?
I mean, it's
Sue?
Let's see what it says.
Let's see.
Tomato or like mushroom or I might get it. It's not. It's like
Isang taon lang yung isa. I just asked you one question and you gave me a whole paragraph. Oh my gosh. Orders here. Zach is eating. What's this?
I got some thing from the kiddos menu.
And
I got
chicken
some-
crispers with broccoli
I
and
got some soup.
tomato and basil, right? And I have the watermelon margarita and a lager for daddy.
For no reason.
Uy! Here's your fork.
It's a soup.
What fork?
It's here.
Oh yeah.
Not really my fork or something.
Fork and knife. There we go.
Give me a fork.
Okay guys, we're done eating. Well, Zach's done eating, but
LeBron jammed it.
hindi pa rin naubos. May take away na naman. So, pang-almusal na lahat ng tira-tira. Hindi na kami magmamadali bukas na mag-catch ng breakfast.
Can I try to unlock the door this time?
Oh, it's open.
Ay, ay,
Ay, ay, ay. So good.
LeBron James.
How are you?
Miami's winning.
Huh?
Miami's winning.
Oh, you're watching basketball?
LeBron James.
LeBron James.
Okay, guys. Is the end of our birthday celebration. I am so full and I wanna lie down. And yeah, today is our nga pala. Alam niyo ba? So, eto nga, dahil wala nang choice, sinabi na sa akin ni Vince na nag-message sa kanya yung kapatid ko, yung bunso, na nasa US, na nagpadala daw ng regalo. And today, yung delivery. So, nagko-coordinate pala silang dalawa, nagchat-chat sila. Tapos, so meron kaming yung ring doorbell sa pinto, di ba, na may camera. So, naka-on yun. Binabantayan ni Daddy kung darating yung delivery guy para at least masabihan, makausap through the video dun sa doorbell na ano. Kasi last time, meron akong in-order. UPS yung nag-deliver. Wala rin kami sa bahay. Nandun kami kila Sheena noon. Yung parang nag-get together kami nung December. Tapos, nag-ring ng doorbell. So, nag-notify sa phone ko. Tapos, kinakausap ko siya through the doorbell. Kasi, pwede kang mag-speaker dun. So, sabi ko, can you please leave it? Sabi ko, somewhere hidden sa garage. Although, wala talagang hidden area dun sa garahe. As in, wala mapapagtaguan. Pero, ang ginawa niya, is nag-iwan siya ng sticker. At tapos, di kausap ko siya noon. Tapos, parang naglalag. Na-cut off siya. Yung parang ganun lang siya yung picture ko sa camera. Na ano siya, frozen siya. So, hindi ko narinig yung sinasabi niya. So, since wala kaming maayos na conversation, nag-iwan siya ng sticker sa pinto. Tapos yung sticker na yun, dadalhin mo sa UPS store to collect your package. Sabi ko, so confident ako na ganyan lang din yan since hindi tayo lalabas. Walang sumagot sa doorbell and all. Mag-iwan niya ng sticker. Ngayon, nung inaano ni Daddy, nire-review ni Daddy yung mga clips sa video camera sa CCTV. Nakita niya ng 6 o'clock, dumating na yung UPS van. Dala-dala yung box, binaba sa door, kumatok, tas umalis. Sabi ko, hala, patay. 6 o'clock yun, nakita ni Daddy, 6:58 na. So, mag-isang oras na nandun yung package sa door, which is hindi naman sakop ng camera kung nandun pa ba. So, panic ako kasi nawala na kami dati ng delivery, nanakawan na. So, buti na lang yung isang kaklase ni Zeb and ni Zach, nakatira din sa same apartment complex, siguro mga 5 or 6 doors down. So, tinawagan ko. Sabi ko, nasa bahay ba kayo? Ganyan, pakisuyo naman ako. Pa-check kung andun pa yung package namin. So, kinuha. Buti na lang. Nandun pa. Kahit after an hour. Pero nung binabacktrack namin kasi yung mga CCTV, mga footages, kasi clips lang siya. Merong babae at lalaki na ilang beses daan sa harap ng bahay namin. Tapos parang tinitignan. So, buti na lang at naagapan. At nakuha nung kakilala ko nga doon na co-parent. So, yun. Mag-unboxing tayo bukas pag uwi. And titignan natin kung anong laman ng box na pinadala kapatid ko. But, in advance, thank you if you're watching this, sis. So, yun. Yeah, check-out time is 11 a.m. So, since marami kami pang kakainin na, ako naman ako madalas nagbe-breakfast talaga. So, yun. Yung si Zach, yung order niyang chicken, hindi niya naubos. So, breakfast niya yun. Yung chicken din ni Zeb from earlier, may natira pa. Kumain na siya ngayong gabi ha, pero hindi niya naubos. Na sabi niya, kainin niya daw bukas. Yung burger ko, kalahati, nandun pa din. So, kung kulangin man si Zeb sa chicken niya, he can still have my burger. And yun, tsaka yung nachos pala, nandun pa rin. Hopefully, crispy pa siya. Dito naman kasi, hindi naman siya kumukunat kasi nga walang humidity. So, kahit iwanan mo yung mga cereal nila sa umaga, yung hindi nila mauubos yung cereal. Syempre, walang gatas ha. Yung talagang chicha lang. Or kahit yung mga chichirya, iwanan mo nakabukas. Hindi siya kumukunat. So, that's one good thing. Anyway, so that is it for my for our birthday celebration week. Uwi na tayo bukas. Back to reality. Ang dami kong labada. So, yeah. Friday pahinga and Saturday, balik na naman tayo dito sa Banff for the field trip naman ng school. And, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will try to edit the vlogs na tomorrow din. At, wala na. Dapat talaga hindi ko na din yung laptop ko. Anyways, bye guys! I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Parang feeling ko majority of my clips are like sceneries, mga backdrop and all that. Kasi sobrang, it doesn't do justice talaga from the camera kahit sa cellphone. Iba yung feeling na nakikita mo siya personal. Like, yung laki ng mountain na habang nagda-drive kami doon, parang nafe-feel mo how small you are in this world. Parang gano'n. Kasi sa video, okay, kita mo ganyan. Pero iba talaga yung effect in person na nakita mo na sa harap mo yung mountain na napakalaki na iba. So, amazing, fascinating ang nature and yung gawa ni Lord. So, yun lang. Anyways, again, bye-bye. Ang haba nito babay ko. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Awkward.